If you want to merge two objects in Tinkercad, the key thing to know is that Tinkercad calls this feature grouping. Grouping is what turns separate shapes into one single solid object, and it's one of the most important tools to learn when you're working on any design. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to merge two objects in Tinkercad in just a few simple steps. And if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Now, let's get started. First, open your design in Tinkercad and make sure the two objects you want to combine are placed the way you want them. Before grouping, always check that the shapes are aligned properly, because once they're merged, they'll act like one object. If one shape is floating too far away or overlapping in the wrong place, the final result may not look how you expect it. To select both objects, you can either click and drag a selection box around them, or hold Shift and click each object one by one. This is helpful if the shapes are close together, or if you only want to select specific items on the work plane. Once both objects are selected, you'll notice they are highlighted together, which means Tinkercad is ready for the next step. Now press Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. This is the keyboard shortcut for group, and it is the fastest way to merge objects in Tinkercad. As soon as you do that, the two shapes will become one grouped object. You can now move them, resize them, and work with them as a single design element. If you want the final grouped object to keep the original colors of the separate shapes, click the solid color circle and then check the multicolor option. This is useful when you want to preserve the look of each part while still combining them into one grouped model. If you don't choose multicolor, the grouped object may appear as one solid color instead. It's also good to remember that grouping in Tinkercad is not always the same as permanently welding shapes in every other 3D program. In Tinkercad, grouping is the main way to combine objects, and it's perfect for making models easier to edit and prepare for export. So if you're building something like a simple product mockup, a 3D printable part, or a custom design, grouping helps keep everything organized. If you ever need to ungroup the objects later, you can select the grouped shape and use the ungroup option or the shortcut Ctrl and Shift and G on Windows or Command and Shift and G on Mac. That way you can go back and make changes if needed. But for now, if your goal is to merge two objects, grouping is the exact tool you need. So to recap, select both objects, press Ctrl or Command+G, and if you want to preserve colors, enable multicolor. That's all it takes to merge two objects in Tinkercad. It's fast, simple, and once you get used to it, you'll use it all the time in your projects. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tinkercad tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.